Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to automatically hide taskbar on Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. By default, the Windows 11 and 10 taskbar is an ever-present fixture at the bottom of your screen. It gives direct access to your frequently used apps, currently running apps, the start menu, widgets, time, and more. However, not everyone wants to stare at the taskbar 24 per 7. They either want it gone for aesthetic reason or to reclaim a few pixel of real estate at the bottom of the display. So don't worry, in this video I will show you how to automatically hide your taskbar on your screen on Windows 11. It's very simple. First of all, you can go to settings, so you can go to start menu. You can select on settings. From settings, you can go to display. I'm sorry. You can go to personalization. From personalization, you can scroll down. You can go to taskbar. And in here, you can just scroll down. You can go to taskbar behaviors. So here, you can, so by default, the settings like this. So page at on taskbar apps. So to automatically hide taskbar, you can checklist in here. So now you can see there's no more taskbar on your PC or laptop screen, and if you want to open it, you can just move your cursor at the bottom. So you will see your text bar like this. You can just like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to automatically hide text bar on your Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.